Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show two Indian grocery stores in Edinburgh. First one is Krishna Foods and the second one is Amma Spices. If you are staying in Edinburgh, you must be already knowing about these stores. If you are new or first timers, you are in the right place. I'm going to explain everything about these stores. There are few Indian grocery stores in Edinburgh. Here I am showing two main Indian stores in Gorgie area. You will get direct bus from city center. Firstly, I am entering into this Krishna Foods. It's a small supermarket if you compare to the local markets such as Asda or Tesco or Morrisons. However, you will get almost all kinds of Indian vegetables, Indian dals, Indian snacks and other items as well. We personally prefer to come to this store to get variety of dals, banana leaves, Indian paneer, sweets, also to get ghee, pickle and whole spices. Both Krishna Foods and Amma Spices have their websites and Facebook pages where they post their fresh arrivals, opening times, etc. Also, you can subscribe to their newsletter so that you will get up-to-date information. Both these Indian stores gets and sells rare leaves such as Brahmi leaves, Gongura leaves, banana leaves, betel nut leaves, also the seasonal fruits such as different varieties of mangoes, jackfruits, etc. I'm going to take this basket and fill all the required items in this. This is the vegetable section. This has both leafy vegetables and normal Indian vegetables, drumsticks, ivy gourd, pumpkin, aubergine, methi, spinach and chilies. Most of the vegetables like onion, tomato, potato and cabbage kind of things are available in almost all local stores. However, if you are craving for Indian curry like methi or drumstick or something like pumpkin, you must visit this Indian stores to get those specific vegetables. During the lockdown situation, we definitely missed getting the fresh Indian vegetables. However, they were also delivering the food varieties from door to door. So there is this big fridge. It has all kinds of gulab jamun, rasmalai sweets, idli and dosa batters, desi yogurt, desi paneer and many more things. When I arrived in the UK for the first time, major thing I missed from India is Indian street food. So when I came to visit Indian stores, I really surprised that they have most of the frozen varieties of samosa, veg spring roll, sometimes all types of sabji and also like all types of Indian street food varieties. So if you are someone bachelor or student or very busy in life, so you can just get the frozen items and deep fry it or put it in oven and it is ready to use. So if you are someone who is craving for Indian street food and not willing to go to restaurants to have it every now and then, please visit the frozen section. Here you will definitely get something of interest. Both of these Krishna Foods and Amma Spices have variety of ready-to-use sambar powders, biryani powders, sabji masala powders from various brands. Also, they sell whole spices like cumin seeds, cinnamon sticks, cloves, bay leaves, and almost all type of Indian spices. This time I visited Indian store because I wanted all types of ingredients for my Ganesh Chaturthi festival. Luckily, I also found this banana leaves. I took this one of these banana leaves. It's very good. This is the oil section. You will see all varieties of oils that's available in Indian market. Rice, flour and dal are available in different kilos and different varieties. Sometimes they will also sell in the reduced price. Always keep an eye on their emails or their advertise on Facebook pages, so you will get to know. Local supermarkets like Tesco, Asda, and Morrison's have their world food sections filled with rice, flour, and other lentils. However, you will not get some specific ragi or jawar or anything which is very specific Indian snacks. So it's always good to visit once in a while to Indian grocery stores to get to know your food, as well as to get which is required, which you cannot have on day-to-day basis from the local market. I finished most of my shopping here, and also I talked to the shop owner. He was very kind and he was willing to give the information that I requested. I am very grateful for him, and I am going to the next shop now. One more thing is, there is this thin plastic shield in billing counter in order to reduce the contact. I am now entering into another Indian supermarket, Amma Spices. Amma Spices is also as big as Krishna Foods. They are also selling almost similar amount of vegetables, seasonal fruits, as well as other snack items. Most of the time I got all my puja items, all my henna, jackfruit, guava fruit, and other fresh leafy vegetables from here. This store is also in Gorge area, and it's just 2 to 3 blocks away from Krishna Foods. They are also selling similar amount of vegetables, fruits, and spices. It is your choice, and sometimes the availability between the two shops. Good thing about this store is Indian spices are available in readily available mixtures like ginger garlic paste, tokku, or MTR powders. You can use it on your day-to-day basis instantly. I personally like the sweet items from here. There are variety of Mysore pak, Rasagulla, Gulab Jamun, and sweet items here. I like the fact that these Indian stores are open from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. just like any other local stores all days a week. To be honest, coming to Indian grocery stores over the weekends and getting the required items is become one of our weekend routine. It's also very difficult to imagine our lives without Indian grocery stores nearby. If you are one of the Indians in Edinburgh, definitely you should visit one of these stores. You will definitely find very interesting items here. If you are someone outsider and watching this video, definitely give it a try. You will see lot of Indian spices and vegetables which can be of your use. Gorge area is near to city center. Many of the Indian people love to stay here in Gorge, as well as you will find many buses within 5 minutes of range, like bus number 1, 22 and 30. Also, this area is surrounded with many other Asian shops as well as Asian restaurants and charity shops, Asta, Aldi, and Pound Stretcher. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching with this video. If you have any questions or queries, please let me know in the below comment box. Also, I will be sharing every week travel, food, and lifestyle related videos. Please like, share, subscribe.